Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Check the label. Check the label. Check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label. Check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! Animals are here with us, not for us. End the animal holocaust. End the animal holocaust. Now stop enslaving them. Start liberating them. Now end the animal holocaust. End the animal holocaust. Now stop enslaving them. Start liberating them. Now they're here with us, not for us. They're here with us, not for us. They're here with us, not for us. Hi, good morning. Thanks for being here on this beautiful Saturday morning. I'm freezing though. We turned the heat down in our house. I'm here in Montreal because we thought, okay, it's spring's here, but it's actually still really cold. And no, these are not made out of wool. They are made out of acrylic. But anyway, to answer your question, listen, if you don't know what to eat, just Google vegan recipes. That's the simplest thing for me to tell you. Just Google them and you'll see there's so many ideas out there. What I eat personally is something that, I don't really tell people what I eat because most people think it's boring. It's very simple. I eat whole foods. So like for breakfast, I'll have chia seeds and flax seeds ground up. I have a big kale smoothie. I have spinach smoothies. I eat super healthy. I don't eat a lot of processed foods. And that's just personally what I eat. But yeah, Google it. You can have vegan pizza, vegan lasagna, all kinds of things. Okay? La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my God, it's vegan lasagna. Yeah. Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza. It is the position of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics that an appropriately planned vegan diet is healthful for all stages of life, including pregnancy, lactation, infancy, adolescence, older adulthood, and for athletes. You can be vegan. Plant-based diets are more environmentally sustainable than diets rich in animal products because they use fewer natural resources. If you care about the future of the planet and keeping it livable for future generations, it's time to stop consuming meat, dairy, and eggs. You can be vegan. People all around the world are vegan. You don't need to eat meat, dairy, or eggs. Vegan foods are not more expensive. You can buy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in bulk. You can live a long, happy, healthy life without being cruel. So why pay for murder if you don't have to? You can be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan. You'll feel great. You will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along. So you drank some almond milk and you want to know what I think of that. Well, almond milk is vegan and so is oat milk and soy milk and macadamia milk and hazelnut milk. So that's great. Out of all of the milks though, soy milk and oat milk are the best. So almond milk is okay, but it's not the healthiest, but that's fine. At least you are not stealing it from an animal and that's great. Okay, nobody should be drinking cow's milk because you're not babies anymore. So you don't need to drink milk from another mammal and you are also not a cow. So good choice there. As far as the chocolate milk part goes, well, cocoa itself is vegan, but check the ingredients. If you used a powder that might have milk in it, then that's not okay. So you need to look up vegan chocolate milk or vegan hot chocolate and find out how to make it. Okay? Thank you for being here. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. right. None of this should matter, because you were born vegan, and you can return. You were born with empathy, and any cruel indoctrination you can unlearn. Your mother's milk was vegan, it was meant for you, and no matter what they try to tell you, remember, being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. Being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. You can be vegan again. Yes, it's true. Okay, so you want to know what I think about you making pizza with pepperoni. Well, the first thing I want to ask you is, do you care about yourself or do you care about others? End speciesism, end speciesism, end speciesism, be kind to the animals. End vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah! So if you care about yourself, you shouldn't be eating pepperoni because it causes cancer. It is in a class the same as cigarettes are. Class 1 carcinogen. That includes all processed meats. So bacon, sausage, ham, anything that you can see that's in a package like that, it causes cancer. So why would you want to eat poison or give it to your brother? Plants have protein, they really, really do. Being vegan is healthy, you know it's true. Plants have protein, they really, really do. So why the fuck aren't you vegan yet? No more excuses for you. I'm here for the animals. I'm here on social media because I know what they do to the pigs. At 6 months old, after a lifetime of hell on a factory farm, they murder them in gas chambers, the same way that the Nazis murdered the Jews. Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan. The Holocaust never ended for the animals. So it's simple. Google healthy vegan recipes. Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for being here. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan